So don't forget the commercial element. So I think what we see in this sector is we see a lot of companies with great technical capabilities, great platforms, really, but very tech heavy, very tech focused. And they need to make the transition from being a tech company to be a market-driven company. So what we see the successful companies in this sector, they have a very balanced approach where they even out on the commercial skill set alongside the technical skill set. So don't forget that. Going into different markets, I would be very careful if you're a young company. Obviously, if you're already dominating a segment and a market at that time, and it's all about, if you want to invest $1 more into go-to-market, where do you get the benefit? Do you get a benefit getting 1% more market share in the sector where you are, where people know you, where you have insights, where you have the channels, or by going into a completely new market, new segment, where you don't have those things? I think there are great companies coming around in this space. Sometimes I think it's not getting enough attention, and we as Nordic Alpha want to draw a lot of attention in this space because it fuels many of the big opportunities around the fourth industrial revolution. What I will say to the companies is really think big. Consider the Nordics as a playground where you can prove your business model and then think scaling. If you look at the GDP just of the Nordics in a European context and a global context, and if you look at where you're going to add most value with these type of technologies, it's not in the Nordics. Of course we can bring back some production, of course we can change business models because we're very technology driven, because we like new business models, but essentially it is a little playground. So what I would really say to companies, think big initially. Think about the proof points you have to do here that you can replicate in a global context. And then I think on the positive side, I think all those things I said before, we're very technology oriented, we're very mature in our thinking. I think those are some of the big benefits, which enables us to really be very innovative, even though we are a small region. But think scaling, always.